Are you struggling to maintain a portfolio of positive reviews? Or maybe you're getting good reviews, but they're only around 4 stars or less. As an Airbnb host, earning consistent 5-star reviews is key to thriving in a competitive marketplace. Positive reviews are essential for attracting future bookings. When potential guests search for a place to stay, they often filter listings based on star ratings. Higher-rated listings are more likely to show up at the top of search results, which boosts their visibility and increases the chances of being booked. Additionally, Airbnb grants the superhost title to hosts who consistently maintain a portfolio of 5-star reviews. Earning this status comes with a range of valuable features and benefits that can further enhance your hosting experience. But it's not just about visibility. 5-star reviews also help build a solid reputation as a credible and trustworthy host. When guests leave positive feedback, it serves as social proof, reassuring potential guests that they'll have a pleasant and reliable stay. By consistently delivering exceptional experiences and earning those 5-star reviews, you can position yourself as a top choice in your area. This leads to more bookings and long-term success as an Airbnb host. Creating an outstanding first impression is key for Airbnb hosts who want to secure those coveted 5-star reviews. It all starts with a detailed and accurate listing that sets clear expectations for your guests. High-quality photos are essential. They should highlight the property's best features to capture attention and encourage bookings. But great visuals aren't enough. Your description needs to be just as compelling. Make sure it covers all the essentials, like the space, amenities, and nearby attractions. Clearly outline the property's features, sleeping arrangements, and house rules to avoid any misunderstandings and ensure guests feel well-informed from the start. Prompt and professional communication is crucial for creating a positive guest experience. Responding quickly to inquiries and booking requests shows that you're attentive and reliable. Clear, friendly, and helpful communication throughout the process builds rapport and sets a positive tone for the guest's stay. An easy check-in process is just as important for a smooth start. Providing clear instructions, offering flexible check-in options, and using smart locks or keyless entry can all contribute to a hassle-free arrival. By focusing on these details, you can create a seamless and enjoyable experience that encourages guests to leave 5-star reviews. Maintaining a spotless and clean property is essential for earning those coveted 5-star Airbnb reviews. Guests have high expectations when it comes to cleanliness, especially nowadays. To meet these standards, consider hiring professional cleaners if you can. Their expertise and attention to detail can make a huge difference in achieving a pristine environment. If you're handling the cleaning yourself, be sure to double-check every nook and cranny. Pay extra attention to bathrooms and kitchens, where cleanliness matters most. Fresh linens, clean towels, and a tidy environment are non-negotiable. Make sure there are no signs of previous guests, no leftover items or personal belongings. A clean and well-maintained property not only enhances the guest experience, but also reflects positively on you as a host. This attention to detail significantly boosts your chances of receiving 5-star reviews. Going above and beyond with thoughtful amenities and extras can make a huge difference in earning those coveted 5-star reviews. Start with the basics. Make sure your Airbnb is stocked with essential items like toiletries, coffee, tea, and kitchen staples such as salt, pepper, and oil. A strong Wi-Fi connection is a must-have in today's digital age, and offering entertainment options like a smart TV with streaming services or a selection of books and board games can further enhance your guest's stay. To add a personal touch, consider leaving a welcome note or a small gift upon arrival. A basket of local snacks, a bottle of wine, or any other thoughtful gesture can make guests feel truly valued and appreciated. Providing a guidebook with recommendations for local restaurants, attractions, and activities shows your knowledge of the area and helps guests make the most of their visit. For an extra touch of luxury, think about offering high-end amenities like plush bathrobes, slippers, or premium coffee. These small details can have a big impact, creating a memorable and enjoyable experience that leads to positive reviews and repeat bookings. Proactive communication and support are crucial for creating a positive guest experience and boosting your chances of getting 5-star reviews. Start by sending a warm welcome message before your guests arrive, complete with clear check-in instructions. This sets a friendly, hospitable tone right from the beginning. Use this opportunity to ask if they have any special requests or needs, showing that you're attentive to their comfort. Once they've arrived, check in after the first night to see how things are going. This not only shows you care about their experience, but also gives you a chance to address any concerns right away. Throughout their stay, be readily available and responsive to any messages or calls. Knowing you're there to help if needed reassures your guests and adds to their overall satisfaction. After they check out, send a thank you message to express your appreciation. This leaves a lasting positive impression and is the perfect time to politely ask for feedback. Encourage them to leave a review, reminding them how their feedback helps future guests and supports your efforts to continually improve as a host. Even the most attentive hosts may face guest complaints or issues from time to time. How you handle these situations is crucial for maintaining a positive guest experience and protecting your reputation. The key is to address complaints promptly and professionally, with empathy. Start by acknowledging the guest's concerns, apologize for any inconvenience, and work quickly to find a solution. Offering a resolution or compensation can go a long way in smoothing things over. This might mean fixing the problem right away, providing a partial refund, or offering a complimentary service or upgrade. The goal is to show that you're committed to guest satisfaction and willing to go the extra mile. Following up after the issue is resolved is just as important. Check back with the guest to make sure they're satisfied and that there are no lingering concerns. This proactive approach not only helps prevent negative reviews, but also shows that you genuinely care about their experience. By handling issues with grace, you can turn potentially negative situations into positive ones, which ultimately supports your goal of maintaining a 5-star rating. Encouraging guests to leave reviews is key to building your reputation as a host, but it's important to do so in a way that's friendly, not pushy. A gentle reminder near the end of their stay works well. Thank them for choosing your Airbnb and politely mention that leaving a review helps other travelers make informed decisions. You can also highlight how much their feedback means to you as a host. It helps you improve and continue offering exceptional experiences. Keep your request light and respectful. Avoid pressuring guests into leaving a review. Remember, some guests may simply forget, while others might not feel comfortable sharing their feedback publicly. Respect their decision and focus on delivering such an outstanding experience that they're naturally inspired to leave a positive review on their own. Maintaining consistency in the quality of your Airbnb and the service you provide is essential for earning those coveted 5-star reviews. It all starts with delivering on the promises made in your listing. If you've highlighted specific amenities or features, make sure they're available and in good working order. Guests value honesty and transparency, so avoid overselling or misrepresenting your property. Regularly updating and refreshing your space also contributes to a positive guest experience. This could mean replacing worn furniture, adding new decorative touches, or upgrading amenities. Keeping your property well-maintained shows guests that you care about their comfort and are committed to providing a top-notch stay. Actively seeking and acting on guest feedback is equally important. Pay attention to both positive and negative comments, and use them as opportunities to improve the experience for future guests. By consistently delivering high-quality service and continuously refining your space based on feedback, you can build a loyal following of satisfied guests eager to leave 5-star reviews. By consistently delivering exceptional experiences and actively managing your online reputation, you can establish yourself as a trusted and sought-after Airbnb host, reaping the many rewards that come with it. Managing a short-term rental business can be demanding, especially when you're trying to rack up positive reviews. For new hosts, partnering with an experienced property manager or professional co-host is highly recommended. With Prowess Properties' 12 years of hosting expertise, you can enjoy hands-free rental income while ensuring your listing gets the positive reviews it needs to stand out. Ready to take your hosting to the next level? Sign up using the link in the description to get your free market analysis today.